Hi, in this video, I will show you how to do your live streaming through your Zoom directly to your Facebook group. Okay, let's get started. So before you want to live stream your Zoom directly to your Facebook group, there are two things that you need to do before you can do that. First, you have to go over to your Zoom account on your browser. So you gotta log in and go to setting here, go to the bottom, okay, somewhere around here. Make sure in this area, allow live streaming of meetings. If you want to live stream to Facebook, make sure this is checked. Or you want to live stream to your YouTube, make sure this is checked. Okay, so once this is done, then you're gonna go over to your Facebook group. Okay, and the same thing, you go over to your setting. Okay, then go to the bottom in the apps area. Make sure you add the apps of Zoom Video and Zoom. Okay, Zoom Video and Zoom. Make sure these two are added. Okay, once these two things are done, then you can go back to your Zoom platform and over this area, more, you click on it, then you should be able to see the options available. So let's say you want to live stream on Facebook group, then you click on live on Facebook. Then you will be directed to another page. Okay, in this page you set your title for your live stream. Make sure the description is right. For example, I'm going to talk about the secrets of SEO. I'm going to put the details in here. Where do you want to share your live streams? Is it on your profile timeline? Is it on your page, or is it on your group? So in this case, for example, I'm going to choose my group. Okay, and I can choose all the groups available here. So maybe group Asia Cantonese group. Okay, when you're ready to stream, just click on the live button, go live button here. Then you should be able to go live within 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, don't go live before you get ready. Make sure that you're absolutely ready before you click on go live. In this simple video, I hope you know how to live stream directly to your Facebook group with Zoom. See you next time. Thank you.